Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today I'm checking out something that's not just for music lovers, but also for performers, presenters, and event organizers: the professional portable all-in-one two-way PA system. If you've been looking for a compact yet powerful sound solution that you can carry, set up, and run without hassle, this might be exactly what you need. This PA system is designed in a suitcase-style format, making it incredibly portable. Inside, you get a complete 8-channel mixer, giving you full control over your sound whether you're plugging in microphones, instruments, or external audio sources. With built-in Bluetooth, you can also stream music directly from your phone, laptop, or tablet, making it ideal for parties, events, or even professional presentations. The kit includes two-way speakers, designed for clear highs and punchy lows, so your voice or music cuts through with precision. And yes, you're not just getting the speakers, you're also getting 2 speaker stands, making setup professional and stable. That means whether you're performing indoors or outdoors, your sound projects properly to your audience. Along with the mixer and speakers, the package also comes with a microphone and remote control. That's perfect for live performers, karaoke nights, business seminars, or even community events where you need clear, amplified sound without complicated setup. Now, the practicality of this system is what makes it shine. It's an all-in-one solution, meaning you don't have to buy separate parts or worry about compatibility. Everything fits together in a compact suitcase-style design, so transporting it is easy, and setup takes just minutes. Whether you're a musician, a DJ, a teacher, a fitness instructor, or a business professional hosting presentations, this PA system delivers reliable sound, portability, and flexibility. It's professional-grade equipment made simple enough for anyone to use. So, if you're ready to take your performance or event to the next level, the professional portable all-in-one two-way PA system is a game changer. Thanks for watching Gadgetverse. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check the Amazon link below to get your own portable PA system today.